Sapporo, Japan Travel Guide. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. If you love exploring new destinations and diving into their unique stories, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the captivating city of Sapporo, Japan. Let's get started. Nestled on the northern island of Hokkaido, Sapporo is a city that beautifully blends modernity with nature. Our story begins in the early 19th century when Sapporo was just a vast expanse of wilderness. It wasn't until 1869, after the Meiji Restoration, that the city began to take shape as the Japanese government sought to develop Hokkaido as a counterbalance to Russian expansion in the Far East. Sapporo, chosen for its strategic location and fertile land, became the administrative center of the island. The history of Sapporo. Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, has a rich and unique history. The city was originally a vast wilderness inhabited by the indigenous Ainu people. It wasn't until 1869, following the Meiji Restoration, that the Japanese government initiated a large-scale colonization and development project to fortify Hokkaido against potential Russian expansion. Sapporo was chosen as the administrative center due to its strategic location and agricultural potential. Influenced heavily by Western urban planning, the city was designed with wide, tree-lined streets and a grid layout, a rarity in Japan at the time. Key landmarks like the Sapporo Clock Tower and the former Hokkaido Government Office, both constructed in the late 19th century, reflect this Western influence. Over the years, Sapporo grew rapidly, particularly after hosting the 1972 Winter Olympics, which brought international recognition. Today, Sapporo is known for its blend of historical architecture, vibrant festivals such as the Sapporo Snow Festival, and its thriving food scene, making it a fascinating destination that seamlessly merges tradition and modernity. As we stroll through the city, we can't miss the influence of Western architecture, a legacy of the foreign experts brought in to help develop the region. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Sapporo Clock Tower, built in 1878, which stands as a testament to the city's rapid modernization. Nearby, the former Hokkaido Government Office, affectionately known as the Red Brick Office, offers a glimpse into Sapporo's early days and its architectural charm. But Sapporo is not just about history. It's also a city that knows how to celebrate. Every February, the city transforms into a winter wonderland for the Sapporo Snow Festival. Enormous snow sculptures and ice statues line Odori Park, attracting millions of visitors from around the world. It's a magical event that showcases the creativity and spirit of the people of Sapporo. No visit to Sapporo would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. The city is famed for its miso ramen, a hearty noodle soup that warms you from the inside out, especially on those chilly Hokkaido days. And let's not forget the fresh seafood. From succulent crab to delectable sushi, Sapporo's markets are a paradise for food lovers. As we venture into the lush greenery of Morinuma Park, designed by the renowned sculptor Isamu Noguchi, we see yet another facet of Sapporo's charm. This park, with its innovative design and sprawling landscapes, symbolizes the harmonious coexistence of art and nature, a theme prevalent throughout the city. Our journey through Sapporo also brings us to the scenic slopes of Mount Moiwa. A short cable car ride to the summit rewards us with breathtaking panoramic views of the city, especially stunning at sunset when the city lights begin to twinkle. It's moments like these that capture the essence of Sapporo, A city where tradition meets innovation, and where natural beauty complements urban sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Sapporo, Japan. We hope you enjoyed the story of this fascinating city. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more stories and travel tips from around the world. Until next time, happy travels!